I'll take the regular chicken.
You see Spanish dip?
Uh-huh.
Spanish dip is behind. Hey.
Spicy chicken?
Spicy chicken. You say
Broccoli and cheese.
broccoli and cheese. Any mushrooms? Anything else on it?
And sour cream, cheese,
broccoli.
and sour cream.
Cheese. And then onions. But the onions can go on after they come out. I don't want it cooked. I don't want the onions cooked. After yeah.
Put the cheese on?
Yes. I want my onions crunchy on top of my potato. If that makes sense.
What's good, y'all? It's your boy Nesby, and I'm back with another video. And today, y'all, we are eating Spud House potatoes. So, this looks freaking amazing. This is my potato. I got a spinach dip with chicken, extra cheese, and sour cream. I'm getting my sour cream off the top, too. I ain't playing with y'all. I need all of that. I need all of that. So y'all ready? Look at this. Oh, no cheese pull. Sad face. But look. This is from Spud House on West 3rd Street. Now, I had their potatoes before, so I know they fire. The last time I had a chicken Alfredo one. This time I got the spinach dip with chicken added. So let's go. Y'all want a bite? Psych. So Babe got a potato too. Babe, what potato did you get?
I got broccoli and cheddar. Add chicken, spicy chicken. Onions,
See, I would ask for some of hers, but she got onions.
sour cream.
Mm-hmm.
You can have a bite without the onions. Whatever.
Huh. They potatoes hit, y'all.
That's flat.
They potatoes hit. Every time. It never fails. Like, it never fails. If you are in Dayton, Ohio, and you want something different, this is it. I ain't even gonna lie. I've been craving spinach dip too. Like, and they add the chicken to that thing. What? So the crazy part is that Spuds is located in a gas station. I think I told y'all that before. Maybe that was on my TikTok. If you have not followed me on TikTok, go ahead and hop over there. Follow, give your boy a follow. You feel? Give your boy a follow. We chilling.
I ain't gonna be able to eat it all.
It's hard to finish a whole potato because it's a lot.
I'll take my mask off. What this shall be.
Yeah, I will finish it at lunch, babe.
I ain't gonna take it to work.
Yeah. Well, y'all only heard her voice, but babe about to get ready for work, so we about to finish this potato. It's kind of hard to peel the skin off. I really don't like the skin, but it's enough sauce on here to cover the taste of it, so I guess. Delicious. So how was your day going? Y'all, I done messed up half of this potato. I might finish it. If I finish it, I'm taking a nap. I can't take a nap. I gotta go help my mom. I ain't even gonna lie. Lately, y'all, I've been spending a lot of time with my mom. And I've been spending a lot of time, like, with my babe. And just people who mean, something to me. Because nothing in this life is promised. Not even tomorrow. That's not to say go out here and act a fool. What that saying is be a good person. It all counts. Treat people how you want to be treated. Because I'm about to share something with y'all that took place the other day. And it was unnecessary for real. But so I'm coming up Need More. If you live in Dayton, you know where I'm talking about. I'm coming up Need More. And there's this guy in this Ford truck, right? Now he got a trailer attached to his truck. Now he came from behind me and he was trying to cut me off on multiple occasions when there was no reason to first. There was no reason. He had a whole lane by himself. So why would you try to cut me off? So then he seen that I have flicked on my blinker to turn left onto Dixie. So he flicks on his blinker as well. Speeds up, cuts off 4 other people in front of me. Like literally almost causes a car crash. He's going up. He's in front of me at this point. So I'm not really worried about it, He throws. So then, sorry, y'all. He proceeds to get in the lane on the side of us, and he slows all the way down just so he could throw water at my car. Like, bruh, you are weird. So baby's like, chill out, calm down, chill out. Don't even do nothing. Don't respond. Okay, so we go ahead and mind our business. Then I turn into the lot like I'm going to Walmart. And he turns in, he sees me turning, so he turns in too. He literally chases me around the Walmart parking lot. So when I find my spot, I park. He pulls up in front of me, rolls his window down, gives me the finger, calls me 12 different type of niggas with the hard ER, right? So So at this point, I done walked up to the side of the car and I'm hitting, like I'm about to hit the window, and he pulls off. Okay, so then he circles around like 2 or 3 times. He does this and he's calling me all types of names. He won't get out the vehicle though. Like he just keeps driving by on some racist mess. Like that's trash, bro. Treat people how you want to be treated. I didn't do nothing to this man for him to antagonize me at all. Not while driving. I wasn't even defensive driving. If you ever ridden with me, you know I don't drive defensively unless I have to. But it was just a crazy situation. And at first, when I noticed that he was doing it, I had a second thought in my head because, you know, people crazy. They carry guns now. I don't carry a gun. And so many things happen at Walmart here in Ohio, baby. I should have went to T-Mobile across the street or something. Like, it was just a bad situation, y'all. A bad situation. Security ended up coming because he saw it. He tried to hit my car with his trailer. Like, this man was just out of complete pocket, y'all. Like, he was out of pocket. And I just could not. I could not. But it's crazy because right at that minute when I'm about to spaz out and lose my shit, not only was security there, but one of my brothers that I don't talk to often called me and was like, bruh, something told me to call you right now, so whatever you doing, just stop. So I just sat in a driver's seat. Mind you, I had Babe with me. So once everything calmed down, she ran into Walmart to get whatever she needed. But I just stayed in the car and I talked to him. And it was so inspirational. Like, just because everybody else in the world is acting a fool, don't give you the right to act a fool too. Yeah, what people are doing out here is messed up, but that don't mean you got to be a messed up person too. Like, that's just adding to it. Why add to the problem when you can be a problem solver? And I base myself on being, like, solution driven. Like, if it's a problem, let's find an answer, let's fix it. And move on to the next. Not everybody thinks like that, though. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I low-key tore this potato up. I ain't ate nothing all day. It had spinach and broccoli in it. So I got my daily serving of vegetables. It had chicken, so I got protein. The potato itself is a carb. So this is a healthy meal. For real. I probably shouldn't have added that extra sour cream and cheese to it, but it was fire nonetheless.